Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan and today's video is going to be something that one of you recommended to me, and I am so excited to actually fulfill this and make this video come true. So today's video is finding liquid lipstick alternative to your favorite lipsticks. So I have it all kept right here. So suppose you wanted an alternative to, say, your favorite Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance, and you wanted something a little bit more pigmented, something a little bit more long lasting. I have it in today's video. And the reason I immediately acted upon that comment is because the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks, it's one of my absolute favorite lipstick, but the formula has changed right now and it's not anywhere similar to this. I bought a couple of shades from the newer packaging, the newer formula, and it's nothing like this, you guys. This one is like really nice and pigmented. That one is very creamy, very sheer looking on the lips. So yeah, if you have the original formula, hold on to it because the newer one is nothing like that. So I think an alternative would be a really good option. So now keep in mind that sometimes liquid lipsticks do dry down a little bit deeper. So if you're swatching it on your hand to test if I'm actually recommending the right thing, give it some time and see if it is matching it after it dries down as well. And also, I've tried to incorporate as many similar shades as I can, as many good formulas that I own. Some of you wanted me to find dupes for these in Maybelline Superstay range, but I don't really have all of those liquid lipsticks with me. So I have tried to find with all the shades that I have. So this video will help you find like alternatives to your favorite liquid lipsticks. So if you wanted a bullet lipstick form, or if you have a bullet lipstick and you wanted to find a similar liquid lipstick form, you can find that in this video. So these are like dupes, you can call them dupes, but they're not really affordable. Like sometimes the liquid lipstick is a little bit more pricier than the lipstick itself and vice versa. So anyways, the lipstick application can get a little bit messy throughout the video because there were quite a few of them to swatch. I have tried to insert hand swatches as well. Let's get started with the video. Now, the first shade we're going to be swatching is a Maybelline Touch of Spice, which is everybody's favorite shade. The liquid lipstick alternative for that is from Kiro. This one is in the shade Nude Lily. Now, when you first apply it, it looks like a different shade, but for liquid lipsticks, you have to let it dry down, and you can see how similar the shades look right now. The Kiro liquid lipstick is one of my absolute favorite formula. It's quite long lasting, way long lasting than the Maybelline lipstick at least, and it's very comfortable. So if you were looking for a liquid lipstick option that is comfortable on your lips, you should definitely try out the Kiro Beauty liquid lipstick. Now, the next lipstick that I'm going to be talking about is everybody's favorite. It is MAC Ruby Woo. Now, the alternative that was suggested to me by so many of you guys was Inside Cosmetics liquid lip color in the shade Angel Red. It's like Ruby Woo in a liquid lipstick form. The undertone, the way it looks on the lips, and everything is the same. I like the Inside Cosmetics lip color. It's a little bit more comfortable than Ruby Woo itself, and it's also easier to touch up, and it doesn't really dry your lips out. So in terms of undertone and everything, it's pretty much the same. So you just have to let the Inside Cosmetics lip color dry down a little bit on your lips. It takes a little bit of a time to dry down. So the next shade we're going to be swatching is MAC Soar, and this shade looks a lot more pigmented in the bullet, but when you apply it on your lips, it's not as pigmented as I want it to be. So something that is in a similar color family in a liquid lipstick form is from Wet n Wild. This one is their liquid catsuit lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. It's a similar color family. It is a little bit like lighter when you first apply it compared to Soar, but once you let it rest on your lips and once you let it dry down, it matches up pretty well. And I feel like it looks quite similar to both. I will also insert a hand swatch of both of these so that you guys can see how they look side by side. So the next shade we're going to be swatching is Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Diana, which was a really requested shade for me to get a liquid lipstick option for. So the option that I have is from Lakme. This one is in the shade Nude Dream. This is their Forever Matte liquid lipstick range, and I love this range. It's very comfortable. They have amazing shade selection, and they have very good dupes for some really popular liquid lipsticks and lipsticks. So definitely do check out this range. So if you feel like Nykaa is a little bit too dry for you, you can try out the Lakme one for sure. Now the next one that was one of the most requested shades was Maybelline Nude Nuance, and it's one of my favorite lipsticks to wear on a daily basis. It's like my lips but better kind of a shade. So the liquid lipstick alternative that I have is from Rimmel. This one is their Stay Matte liquid lip color in the shade Troublemaker. Now this liquid lipstick, when you let it dry down on your hand, it looks a lot darker, but on the lips you can see they are very similar. Maybe the Rimmel one is a little bit more brown. It's a very comfortable formula. I really like it. It's not the most long wearing, but it's a little bit more long wearing than Maybelline itself. And then another shade that I have that is not exactly the same but similar color family is from e.l.f. This is their liquid lipstick in the shade Praline. I feel like Maybelline one has a little bit more pink than Praline itself, but it's cool tone. Both of these are really nice cool tone shade, and e.l.f. is a little bit more long lasting than Rimmel itself. So if you wanted to try out another option in a similar color family, you can try out e.l.f. Praline. The next one we're going to be talking about is the Swiss Beauty Non-Transfer Lipstick in the shade Bronze, and a similar shade is from NY Bay, their liquid lipstick in the shade Mugs and Hugs. Now, the Swiss Beauty one on its own is a very nice formula. You don't really need a replacement for that, but if you're looking for an option for NY Bay Mugs and Hugs, a similar shade is from Swiss Beauty. The NY Bay one, when you first apply it, it applies like a brownish, light brown shade, but it dries down to a much darker shade in about like 5 minutes. Give it about 5 minutes time and then you will see what I'm talking about. Now the next one we have is Nykaa Ultra Matte in the shade Mona Lisa, and a shade that is very similar to this is from Miss Claire. This one is their liquid lipstick in the shade 58, Soft Matte Lip Cream. Excuse me. They are so similar, and if you feel like the Nykaa one is a little bit too dry, you can try out the Miss Claire one, which is a little bit more comfortable. Not the most long lasting liquid lipstick, but a very comfortable liquid lipstick and gives you comfort throughout the day. Also, the same dupe can be used for Faces Magnetic Lip Crayon, because Mona Lisa and Faces Magnetic are pretty much the same. Next one is also a super popular one. This one is Faces Natural Cocoa. The Faces one is a really comfortable lip crayon formula, but if you wanted it in a liquid lipstick form, you can try out the Maybelline Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Made Easy. On the lips, you can see they look exactly the same. Like maybe in the hand swatch, they would differ a little bit, but on the lips, they are the same. So if you have both of these, swatch it on your lips side by side and let me know what you think about it. So the next one is a super popular one. This is the Faces lip crayon in the shade Tea Rose, and the liquid lipstick alternative for that is also from Faces. This is their No Transform matte lipstick in the shade Filter Freak. They are pretty much the same shades, just that Filter Freak is a liquid lipstick, so it's a little bit more pigmented and dries down smidge darker than Tea Rose itself, but they are pretty much the same shades. So you can avoid buying similar shades, and these two are from the same brand. And another shade that is quite similar to Faces Tea Rose is from Maybelline. This one is a Sensational Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Touch of Spice. Touch of Spice is a little bit pink, but on the lips you can't really make out. A lot of you guys asked me if the Bellora liquid lipstick in the shade Tea Time is similar to this Faces lip crayon. It is not at all similar. I have swatched it. They are completely different shades. Next shade that we have is Color Bar Sultry, and the liquid lipstick alternative for that is from Wet n Wild. This one is in the shade Berry Recognize. Now the reason I chose this is because Sultry has a slight smidge bit red in it, and even the Wet n Wild Berry Recognize shade has that. So that's the reason I found them to be exactly the same. I tried out a lot of other liquid lipsticks like Maybelline Artist. I tried out Sugar Metal liquid lipstick in the shade Vega. They dry down a little bit more deeper and they have a little bit more berry tones to it, but this one has a little bit more red, and that's the reason I included this. Wet n Wild one has changed formula over time. It has sort of begun to dry down in the tube and it's not as pigmented as it was, but it's one of my favorite liquid lipstick formula. It's very comfortable on the lips. Next up we have Sugar lip crayon in the shade Daft Pink, and liquid lipstick alternative that I have is a Sugar Metal liquid lipstick in the shade Vega. Now Daft Pink has again slight bit red undertones to it, so I will swatch all of these shades on my hand side by side so that you can see it. If you have one, you don't really have to go out and buy, because all of these are pretty much similar pink shades. So this one is Sugar, this one is Vega, this is Color Bar Sultry, and this one is Wet n Wild Berry Recognize. So next one we have is a Sugar X Wonder Woman lipstick in the shade Justice, and good alternative for that is from the NYB liquid lipstick range. It's called Snuggle Secrets. Now when you first apply Snuggle Secrets, it looks a little bit lighter all of their liquid lipsticks apply like that, but once you let it dry down, they dry down to a much darker shade, and this is how it looks like on the lips right now, side by side. And this is the hand swatch, this is the Sugar lipstick, and this one is the NYB lipstick. Now, the next one I'm going to be talking about is the Swiss Beauty lipstick in the shade Rusty Nude. This is one of my favorite nude shades, and a liquid lipstick alternative for that is from Miss Claire. This one is their Matte Power liquid lip color in the shade 02. Both of these are identical. As you guys can see on the lips, they look so similar, and I really like the formula of these Miss Claire liquid lipsticks as well. But I love the formula of the Swiss Beauty non-transfer lipstick, so you can choose whichever one you want. This is the Swiss Beauty one, and this one is the Miss Claire liquid lipstick. The last one we're going to be talking about is the Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Burgundy Blush, one of my favorite deep red shades. A liquid lipstick alternative for that is from Bellora, and this one is in the shade Maroon Grapes. They are very similar. I really like the formula and the pigmentation of the Bellora liquid lipstick, so you can try this one out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what other alternatives you want me to find out, what other dupes you want me to find out. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have a favorite lipstick and you wanted me to find an alternative to that, let me know in the comment section, and I will definitely sit down and find that. This took me a lot of time to find out. I was just sitting on the floor swatching and then ended up with a really bad backache because it took me that much time. So you have to look really close and like precisely if the shade is matching, and I tried my best. So yeah, if you did like my efforts, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Why don't you leave it all to